we're out here tonight for the first of many collabs together with my good friend Clappy. He came all the way out from Crown Heights. Special one to do an awesome food review of the Ren Restaurant. Where is it?
The Ren Restaurant, right here at the World Spa in Brooklyn.
World Spa, 1571 McDonald Ave.
Right here local, most beautiful accommodations you will ever find in Brooklyn. This place is stunning.
Let's go down and show them in the morning.
Let's check it out.
Let's check it out. All right, here we are.
So exciting.
Let's go for it, Clappy.
Let's do it.
Ren it is.
Hello, how are you? Welcome.
Doing great. Well, thank you
Nice
so
to meet
much.
you. Pleasure.
Hello.
How are you?
Wow. Clappy, what do you say to this place? Isn't it gorgeous?
Marvelous. Just going down the stairs, the marble, the architecture, the brick. Gorgeous.
Wow, this place is out of the world.
Absolutely.
Out of the world.
Please, let me show you a table.
Right over here.
Yes.
In the corner they put us. Nice corner over here.
Best seat in the house, sitting on a couch. Chedus, Pesach's coming.
That's it. Look at that corner you got. Wow. You saw that duck hang over there? It's unreal.
Unbelievable. This is nicer than the city. Nicer than the city.
All right.
Welcome to Ren. My name is George.
George.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is our menu.
Wow. Look at his menus.
I've never had such a menu. It's like wood with leather with a little handle.
Like an antique.
I work in antiques. It's gorgeous.
This is our
I want to take home the menu. It's so beautiful.
What's this over here?
This is the cocktail menu.
A ganze safe for cocktails over here.
And this one?
The wine list.
Whoa, any other books coming?
Everything is booked here.
You got a sperm store going on over there.
Unfold slowly.
This place is unique.
I've never had such a quality.
Wow. This guy's pounding away over here on sugyas.
So much sugyas over here. You got the wine, you got the cocktails, you got the food. This one, I got to figure out what's going on over here.
This is too much to do in one day.
Long Island duck.
Long Island duck.
That's a must try. I know.
Oh yeah?
You have to try. It's 2 weeks dry.
2 weeks dry.
That's that cabinet over here, the dry aged
That's it
cabinet.
over there? Let me go check it out. Come, Clappy. Let's see what they got over here. Wow, get my kick. Oh my.
Usually it's the steaks. Over here they got the ducks. 2-week aged Long Island duck.
Wow. Look at that.
Wow.
Look how it's hang over there.
How do you say duck in Yiddish? Ganzen?
A gans, yeah.
Gans.
Got the hang over there. He stopped again.
And you could tell that the moisture is coming out, so it probably has a good taste.
Wow. The ambience here, I think. I mean, we've been both in many restaurants.
I've never seen anything like this.
Look at this. Look at this place. Let's add the.
Have you seen any other restaurant who's aging the duck?
No.
Never saw. I saw aged steak. I never saw aged duck.
Hello, gentlemen.
Wow, what a treat.
We got this beauty right
This
over
looks serious.
there.
Kai, which one do you want? Whatever you want, either one. I'm good either way. It looks so good. I'm excited.
All right.
Wow.
This is the good karma.
Oh.
This is the most popular drink in our restaurant. That's the base tequila with the passion from honey and fresh sour. All of them is so
What's this?
That's the dry pepper.
Dry pepper.
Just for the visual side. But I'm going to recommend you not to eat the seeds. It's kind of pretty spicy. So
Intense.
that's why.
Spicy.
This goes to the spice and the sweet at the same time. Really balanced, so refreshing. That's all we got. And we got the lady in red right over there. It's based in a bourbon with a strawberry puree, also honey flavor and a fresh sour. And just a little bit carbonated. It makes more intense. So enjoy with it, please.
Kai, which one are you taking?
Whichever one we take, let's make it a Chaim.
Chaim or Brucha? I already made chaco before.
Wow.
Oh, Gan Eden mamish. Look what they're bringing over here. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Our homemade French brioche
No way.
Looks like an upside down bilka.
with beef fat,
Whoa,
mustard seeds.
that's
and
what I
sesame
need. My
seeds.
doctor told me a lot of that.
A lot of bread. And on the side we have beef butter with tomato glaze.
Wow.
And this is Spanish olive oil.
How soft is that bread?
Okay. You know what? I don't want to cut it for you. You just need to feel by your hands. Try
Wow.
with your hands. It's so fluffy.
It's like butter.
Look at that.
Wow. Oh my
So the
goodness.
smoked anania cover coming up.
Look at the butter.
Ooh.
Literally butter. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Enjoy it.
Some
What should I tell you? Clappy can't eat a meal without his famous Diet Coke. Can you guys get a Diet Coke for Clappy?
Is right here.
All right. Bring
I'm a
it.
magician also, so
Oh wow.
Oh, the
Clappy.
way I like it. Already half full.
you see?
Straight for the Diet Coke.
With the lemon.
With the lemon. All right. Let's go. The bread looks heaven. Out of the world.
A chaser. Chevret, just to come for the drinks. You don't even have to be hungry. You come here to Ren just for the drinks. The food is an extra.
All right.
Oh, they're bringing more food. It's happening.
This is our
beautiful yellowtail sashimi.
Look how big this bowl is. This
you
bowl
see-
is like 18 inches long.
As you see, we have mandarin there, and the salad is made with kiwi and an apple. All right, and the sauce is cucumber and basil sauce. Now, whenever you'll try it, you can feel a little bit lemony flavors because it has yuzu kosher. Yuzu is Japanese lemon, which is smaller but more citrusy, and we are fermenting it with different fruits, and it gives a lot of flavors. This is our potato gratin, the layers of potato.
This is art. This is art. This is not food. This is art.
But I gotta
Cuisine.
tell you, everything is edible. Okay, so
This belongs in the Louvre in France. Make sure it doesn't get stolen.
it has trout caviar. The caviar by itself is a little bit smoked, and it has black truffle on top of it.
Real truffle?
Of course, real truffle.
truffle is $100 a piece.
Just saying. And this is actually one of my favorite dish. So what we have here,
The caviar?
it's trout caviar. Now we have sea bass and sweet potato wrapped together in zucchini flour, and then it's deep fried.
Sea bass. Love sea bass.
Sea bass, it's a fish. It's a fish, yeah. And we have the sauce is Thai tom yum soup, which is a very famous soup, but we are
Zoom
using
in on
it
the
as
caviar.
sauce.
Zoom in. But then I can mention.
Out of the world. Oh my goodness.
Ooh la la.
Oh my goodness.
Should I break it open?
Oh, look at that.
Oh my.
Oh. Fine and eyes, Gabriel. Ooh.
Clappy episode like this.
No. We're going right in. We're going right in.
Actually,
Gan Eden.
we have a lot of fish, so we need a little salad as well. This is cauliflower salad. As you see, some of the cauliflower is deep fried as well, and it has tahini sauce. Let me mix it nicely for you. Excuse me. Look how beautiful it looks inside. All right. Can feel a little bit spiciness as well, Joel. Bon appetit, enjoy.
Happy, when you come out to eat in the Ren, you need a Beckager. What kind of thing is you don't have a Beckager with you?
Thrilly's here. You don't need your Beckager.
Really? What's so nice?
What's nice?
Really? I know a good friend of mine, Shulam Rand. He interviewed one day about what's the source behind the Beckager story. Give us a little talk of the background.
He was with someone that was Pesach, and he didn't have his package, and I felt on his face that he's uncomfortable for some reason because of a conversation we had before. So I looked at him like, I don't need your package, that's all. No crazy story behind it.
And that from there to go.
Yeah.
Unreal.
Yeah.
You're a lot of people. Definitely learn because, like I said, people don't have the Beckager. They're embarrassed to come to the show. I don't need the Beckager. Unreal.
Comes the main course. Whoa, boy. Oh, it's not even the.
Wow.
It's called ramen?
Tiramisu.
Ooh.
Wow, look at
You
the
get the
soups
meat. You get the egg.
Meat, we got the egg, which is cured for 24 hours in a salt, pepper, soy sauce. Oh, choice, a little bit
On
spicy.
a cold winter night. It's got a kick. It's got a kick.
It has sweet pickled kohlrabi as well. For
We gotta eat it with the chopsticks?
Of course.
Wow. Who's so nice?
What's the nice? The heißen noodle.
The egg is cured for 24 hours in sugar, soy, salt, pepper. We have noodles, obviously. By the way, everything is homemade here, okay? The noodles is homemade with egg, and we have bok choy. And the meat, what I love about the meat, whenever you try it, it has live fat inside. So it blends perfect with the soup. It's
out of the world.
The sweet pickled kohlrabi. For spicy, we have it's spicy, so the kohlrabi gives very nice flavors in there, okay?
Look how Clappy's digging in. Look how Clappy's digging in over there to the celery.
I have a perfect cocktail for Ramadan.
Oh, really? You gonna bring another cocktail?
Of course.
Oh my goodness.
They're already bringing more drinks. I didn't even finish the first set of drinks.
Oh yeah,
Oh
yes,
my
sir. We
God.
got those beauties right over there.
Whoa.
We got the gin and jam and we got the barracuda. The gin and jam is based on the indigo gin. It's so refreshing with the base gin, the blueberry jam, fresh sour, and the kiss of the cinnamon in it. So it's really delicious. And we got the barracuda. It's based on the aged vanilla rum with the pineapple flavor, sour, and the
I taste the pineapple and the vanilla, but it's so subtle. It's delicious.
Exactly. You got the point. And just a little bit prosecco champagne on the top to make it more intense. That's all we got.
Wow,
How's
that? Good.
Unbelievable.
To get serious after
about to get
hours
serious.
of non-stop eating.
Hey,
Yeah, but pick off.
Soft,
Let's see if you can pull it off.
soft like butter, but obviously it's flesh. It's. وشام ياخد كيتش بريخي. Wow. Is that pistachios or pine crust?
So we have smoked short rib with herbs on top of that.
Herbs.
This is grilled challah. Obviously we have puree there, potato puree, but it has touch of almond, so it melts in your mouth. Okay, and my favorite item. This is all-time great. Okay, this is called beef tataki. Thinly sliced beef. Inside it's rare, but from outside it's pan-seared, and it has pita shards and tomato for crunchiness. And on the side we have beautiful black tapioca cracker, which is recommended to enjoy with beef tataki. All right,
Unreal.
unreal.
We're not
Enjoy
playing
it all.
over here. We're not playing over here.
Clappy, clappy. What do you say about this?
It's just my whole mouth is on fire from this delicious food. You can't find any food like this in the world. It's non-stop. It's non-stop.
Oh, that's delicate. That's delicate, clappy. You
Whoa,
gotta go easy on that.
soft.
You gotta go easy on that.
Soft.
You can't squeeze that. Look at that. Look at the meat. Look at the fat. Yeah, maar kijk wat die vet is doen.
Shayla Burr. Shechtzeiten.
Wow, I think Mashiach is invited already. Let me hear that.
You never had anything like this.
What do you say to this over here? This beef. This is the animal room. Look at the way they played it. Wow. And the cracker rib, truffles. Wow.
Right, gentlemen, what would you like to have for a main course today? Like I previously mentioned, we have the great Chateaubriand, pepper crusted Chateaubriand. We also have a great lamb chop, and as you see, the hanging duck is highly recommended.
You know what? I want to actually see the kitchen, and I want to see how they prepare and make the main course.
You know what? Let's go.
Let's go, Chaim.
Oh, let's do this. Both of you. This is happening.
Levy! I know that guy.
Oh boy. Look at this. Let me see this.
Bring it out. Bring it out. The good
Wow.
stuff. Oh boy.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Check it out this one.
Oh my god. What's going on in here? Oh my goodness. That's how they put the smoke in?
Yeah, so how we
Looks
steam.
like I was in a hospital. It was
Let me see that. Let me
oxygen
see
tank.
that. Let me see that. Let me see. Do it again. Put the smoke in. Oh my goodness. That machine goes in there. And they put the fire on in there.
Wow, statistics.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. Smoke goes
I never
in.
saw this in my life.
That's a patent.
It's a Michelin-style
Clap it. Pick it
restaurant.
up, clap it. Let's see the smoke coming out of there.
1, 2, 3. Woo!
Wow. Chaim. Very cool. Very cool.
Schmeckt geht.
Yeah, it's the whole vibe over here. Wow.
So, okay, so this is you're preparing duck, right? Yeah. Yeah, so he's preparing the duck. The other side, he's preparing the...
Look at the duck over there. Look at that duck. Mahasal Taran.
This is to me one of the most underrated items. This is the potato.
Oh, we had the potato.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that potato over there.
Yeah.
Caviar.
Melody 100, fire force 3.
This place is rocking. This place is on fire.
Smells good.
I have a question for you. I have a question for you.
Finishing 43.
Look at this, guys. Look at this.
One chateau.
Here's the egg. Here's the egg.
One duck, one tomahawk.
Oh, that was the egg we had. Oh,
That was the egg,
it's
that
so
was the egg we
good.
had.
Oh, the egg was good.
Melody 38, fire duck ribeye.
Guys hustling away over there. Wow. How do you keep this place so clean?
We're actually cleaning this place about 10 times a day.
10 times a day?
Yeah. When we come, we clean it. Then after preparation is done, we clean it like 3 times.
Looks like a museum. It looks like a museum. It's spotless. There's nothing to hide. Everything here is picture perfect.
Wow.
Middle
You're
of this
rocking.
area.
You're rocking. What's up?
That's the guy. That's the guy.
The chef over here. He's rocking.
So even during the service, no matter how busy we are, and we see that the kitchen is a little bit messy, everything stops for about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. We clean up everything and we go back to work. That's how we Filipino.
Look at this. You can put your finger here. What's the chef over here? What's your name?
Aaron, how's it
Aaron.
going?
What are you saying about this place?
I mean, it's great. We're working, like you were saying. We like to work neat and clean, and it's nice to rush a service. It's always fun. You guys are catching us in the middle, so you guys have a little bit of that experience. Your next course is going to be a lot of fun. We have our 14-day dry-aged duck with some apple confit, a little bit of apple cream, and bok choy. So you got a little bit of sweet, a lot of seasonal stuff going around. It's gonna be good. I hope your dinner's
They're working
going great
hard
so
and
far,
they're smiling. Everybody here loves being here. You feel the energy. You feel it.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for coming, guys. Nice to meet you.
Awesome. Look at the dishes, Clappy. Look at this.
Spotless.
Not
Spotless.
normal. Not
Spotless.
normal. Not normal. Back into the restaurant. It's unreal.
It's so special to be in such an incredible kitchen. This place is on track to get 3 Michelin stars.
It's not normal. Should we
Michelin,
pop
try.
Should we pop into Lipa a minute and say hello to Lipa? We have our fan Lipa here. Lipa.
Private room.
Come inside. Let's go say hello to Lipa.
Lipa gets a private room. Yeah.
The best of the best, Lipa.
I think you got a free dinner for doing it. I paid for the dinner.
You get paid so much money, you can afford it.
But the owners, they hired me plenty, so I'll let them fly.
You let it fly. Lipa, how does it feel to have a nephew that's almost as famous as you? Whoa!
Just like I say,
he's killing
a
it.
healthy father and mother is not jealous of their own children.
Yes.
So
Yes.
my
Yes.
passion and my emotion is for my sister's children the same thing.
You taught him the Bekischer song?
I don't know if it's anything, but it's, I can say, I think it's Tamino.
He taught you a thing or two?
You don't need it. Okay.
Lipa, one question. Were you scared of heights being on the ladder yesterday?
The story with Tzemach Tzedek, that a lot of children trying to climb a ladder and nobody made it. He was the one, and they asked him, how did you make it? The only child.
Kicked David.
He said, because I look up.
Wow. I
Ah,
saw
ich
the video of you. I was like, no way. Lipa. Halt me stark. En dan van binnen van ooit valt me dus van hinten. But I was experienced the highest minute in the world, I think they said.
Where was this?
In Pomona.
I didn't practice for this, I just went for it.
You just climbed up?
I didn't know even what's going to be there, and then I come there. They told me, I hope I'm not Bagay Chazashul with somebody else, but this is the Rebbe from Weber. She said to me that she said they had a similar menorah in the 5 towns, the same similar fire truck, but the rabbi saw this rock, he said, look, I'm making this guy a Shalia.
Lipa, keep up your good work, surely.
Yeah, fine and nice.
Wow. Clappy, the big celebs come out here,
I
Clappy.
believe he's a famous guy over there.
Yeah, we've got a lot of famous people over here. This place is all famous people. All famous people here. Nice.
I think you have to come on. This is like the 20th course tonight.
Look at this beauty. We have 2 weeks dry aged.
That's duck.
Dark Long Island with candied apple on top of that. And we have black and white garlic cream, and this is apple cream for sweetness. And the tart by itself is not regular tart. It's made with beets, and it has dark like confetti inside. All right, and the bok choy, obviously.
Leg hem al met de bak, Joy.
And this is like painting, right? We have lamb chops.
Ooh, lollipops.
We have carrot with ginger gel. This is carrot cream and potato. Layers and layers of potato.
The art. Mama say,
Ooh, smack. Terecht, niet graag.
But the art is something that you don't see anywhere.
It's beautiful. Enjoy it, Jalpan.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Reach, niet graag.
Clappy? You didn't believe this when we said we're going after the
It's
Ren.
next level. It's just next level.
Wow. It's like a whole garden in a plate. It's like you're walking through a garden in a plate.
It's almost like you don't want to eat it. You want to just look at the beauty. Put this behind glass. Hang it up on the wall.
Shellac it and put it into your china closet. Oh, wow.
Never ends over here. All night long. Let's see what we got now.
This is, I don't want to say that we are known for cheesecake also, but we are. It needs no explanation, okay? It's like a touch of heaven. And this is our own style of tiramisu. And all the magic is right here, okay?
Wow.
Now, you think it's done, but everything is hiding underneath the plate, so enjoy, please.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean it's under over there?
This is Tifferijn.
Line.
Tifferijn, we can get out. Whoa! Wow!
Let's see what's going on under there. Oh, wow.
De gedichten zijn aan Inten.
Magnificent. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. How's that cheesecake over there?
This is the tiramisu.
Tiramisu. Cheesecake. Oh my.
Ooh. Shvuas came early.
Reb Clappy.
Oshkiach is here. It's parav, but it tastes milchig.
Woof. Unreal.
Next
What a
time you
great
like to
time.
come, I'll give you my personal number. You call me directly. I'll get your table ready. If you like the table, it will this table will be always yours.
What's your
This
phone
place is
number?
gonna get Michelin stars.
Oh, I own.
What's your phone number? I want to give it to my followers.
718-697-1022. That's my personal number.
Really?
Yes.
You're gonna get a lot of phone calls on it.
Okay.
Let's put it on the screen. Give it to me one more time.
718-697-1022.
Oh my goodness! You're gonna guys call him, text him, make a reservation. Because if you make a reservation and you mention the Perlowitz show,
You got
what do you
dessert
get?
on the house.
Dessert on the house. Have a dessert on the house. If you mention the Perlowitz show, I think the first one to get a dessert on the house is right over there. None other than Lipa and Shirley Green. They're going to be getting the first dessert in the house if they mention the Perlowitz show. It starts right now. Mention the Perlowitz show for a free dessert on the house. Clappy, you got a dessert?
Dessert is out of this world. This restaurant from 1 to 10 is a 14 plus.
Wow! Thank you so much. Have a call up. The address is
It's 1571 McDonald Avenue.
1571
We
McDonald
found parking
Avenue.
in 10 seconds.
Yeah, parking is great. Tell Soso. How do you say it? Soso?
S-O-S-O.
Tell Soso that you saw on the Perlowitz show for a free dessert. Clappy, this is out of the world. Wow.